Complex procedures require a lot of imaging. No two subjects have the same anatomy. So imagine you are a patient coming in for a neurovascular procedure. Would you be comfortable with a physician that actually rehearsed that particular case on a model of your specific anatomy before doing the real case on you? Or would you prefer that the physician go in and do this procedure without any kind of rehearsal? Our primary goal is to develop haptic simulators for endovascular procedures. These type of simulators help physicians train and rehearse procedures that are highly complex.
Our product consists of two parts. We have a station that includes hydraulics, mechanics, and electronics that corresponds to the patient's environment. Then, in this station, is a patient-specific cartridge that is plugged in and based on the patient's scan.
So what we're generating using 3D printing is this particular cartridge, which is truly the outcome and the technology that the physician actually uses.
So what is very unique about our technology is that we can use multi-material printing, which enables us to have different distribution of material along the artery and gives a very realistic haptic feedback to the physician. And the more realistic it is, the better they feel confident and prepared for the real patient.
What is really interesting with those 3D prints is we have a real-life experience. There's no difference between what we have here in the cath lab on the Biomodex model and what we experience in the OR.
We always speak of natural environment in terms of anthropology. Our goal is to put the physicians in their standard day-to-day environment. Nothing changes. They're in the cath lab, they're doing the procedure, using our model, which responds like tissue, and using their devices that they will implant in the patient.
Recently, we had to treat a patient with an ascending aorta aneurysm, which is a very complex procedure. So I asked Biomodex to do a 3D print of that specific anatomy. It ended up that the endograft was a bit too short. Thanks to the Biomodex 3D print rehearsal procedure, we changed the design of the endograft, which ended up being the perfect design for the procedure. Since we have access to those Biomodex 3D prints, we can have the ability to try new devices, new procedures, and to make sure that we make the right choice for the right patient.
I fundamentally believe this is a game changer. It's a game changer on many levels, in terms of training physicians, fellows, medical school level, all the way through complex procedures with the thought leaders in the industry that do the most complex cases. So I think it's a double winner, one for the subject, the patient, and also for the physician themselves.